So here we're asked to identify sets of parallel and perpendicular lines. So how do we determine whether a set of lines are parallel or perpendicular or neither? Well, parallel lines have the same slope, so their slopes are equal, whereas perpendicular lines have a negative reciprocal slope. What does that mean? It means that one of the slopes is going to be the negative reciprocal of the other. So let's have a look at these pairs of equations. We'll do this one first. We already know the slope of equation 1 is negative 5. So m1 equals negative 5. To have a look at the slope of the second equation, we need to rearrange it. So 5x plus y equals negative 21. I'm going to move the 5x over here using subtraction. The reason I'm subtracting is this is positive. The opposite of adding or a positive is negative or subtraction. So y equals negative 21 minus 5x. This is in slope-intercept form, so my slope is negative 5. Since this slope is negative 5 and this slope is negative 5, these two lines are parallel. So now let's have a look at the second set. So m1 equals 6 over 7, and m2, this is already both in slope-intercept form, is negative 6 on 7. Now they're not the same, so they can't be parallel, but they're not the negative reciprocal either, because to be the reciprocal, it would have to be 7 over 6, and it isn't. So these two are neither parallel or perpendicular. So let us look at the third set. So we know that the slope of equation 1 is negative 4. It's already in slope-intercept form, and we need to rearrange the second equation. So negative x plus 4y equals 14. I'm going to move the x to the other side. So 4y equals 14 plus x. I'm adding x because here it is negative. And then I'm going to divide everything by 4 because we want y by itself. So y equals x on 4 plus 14 on 4. Now I'm not going to worry about simplifying this y-intercept here because all we're interested in is the slope. So my slope here is 1 over 4, which is the negative reciprocal. Because if I flip this upside down, it becomes 1 over 4, and then I have to change the sign to make it the negative reciprocal, and a negative is a positive, so it is indeed positive 1/4. So therefore, these two equations are perpendicular.